Hello, everybody. I hope everyone is doing well today. I am fine myself, and let's get started. Our first root is tort, and tort means to twist. And I'm going to go ahead and give you an example word. My first word is going to be distort. And distort means to alter shape or condition. To alter shape or condition. I'm going to go ahead and give you another word. Is contortion. And contortion is a twisted shape or position. I'm going to go ahead and use distort in a sentence, and that is I'm going to go ahead and read that to you. He distorted the wall to make his kitchen bigger. Moving on to our next root is tox. And tox means poison. I'm going to go ahead and use tox in a word and give you the definition. First word is toxic, meaning poisonous. My second word is going to be intoxicated. And that means influenced by drugs. Influenced by drugs. I'm going to go ahead and use intoxicated in a sentence. I'm going to go ahead and read that to you. The man was arrested because he was intoxicated. Excuse me. Moving on to our next root is tract. And tract means to pull and drag. I'm going to go ahead and give you an example word, and that is, actually I'm going to give you two example words. One of them is attract, meaning to pull objects nearer. And my second word is going to be tractor. And tractor means a vehicle. Sorry about that. Vehicle that pulls things. I'm I'm going to go ahead and use tractor in a sentence. I'm going to go ahead and read that to you. The farmer uses his tractor to pull supplies for his farm. Moving on to our next root is trans. And trans means across. Beyond. And through. I'm going to go ahead and give you an example word. One of them is transport. And that means to carry something across space. My next word is going to be transfer. And transfer means to move from one place to another. I'm going to go ahead and use transport in a sentence. I'm going to go ahead and read that to you. The driver transported the goods to the grocery store. Moving on to our next root is try. And try means 3 or third. I'm going to go ahead and give you my example words. I'm going to give you 2. One of them is triangle. And triangle means a figure with 3 sides and angles. Sorry about that, angles. I'm going to give you another example. It is triathlon. Triathlon. And triathlon means athletic contest with 3 events. I'm going to go ahead and use triathlon in a sentence. I'm going to go ahead and read that to you. The old man was fit and healthy enough to join the triathlon. Moving on to our next root is ultra. And we just finished the letter T, and our first root of the letter U is ultra. And ultra means beyond, extreme. I'm going to go ahead and give you an example word as ultra modern. And ultra modern means more modern than anything else. I'm going to go ahead and use ultra modern in a sentence. I'm going to go ahead and read that to you. The new house, sorry about that, that the couple bought was ultra modern. Moving on to our next root is un. And un is a negative root. Let me just give you the meaning first. Not, opposite, opposite of, and lacking. I'm going to go ahead and write this here. Negative root. I'm going to go ahead and give you an example. I'm going to give you two examples. One is unfair. Meaning opposite of fair, not just. My second word is going to be unfriendly. And that is lacking friendliness. I'm going to go ahead and use unfair in a sentence. I'm going to go ahead and use that in a, I'm sorry, I'm going to go ahead and read that to you. The boy was crying because he thought his parents were being unfair to him. Moving on to our next root is uni. And uni means one, single. This is a important root, so I'm going to go ahead and put a star here, uni. And I'm going to go ahead and give you the example words. One of them is unicycle. I'm going to say a vehicle with one wheel. I'm going to give you another example, and that is unique. And I'm going to say the only one of its kind. I'm going to go ahead and use unique in a sentence. Sorry about that. I'm going to go ahead and read that to you. The painting made by the artist was truly unique. Moving on to my next root. That is herb. And herb means city. I'm going to go ahead and give you an example word. Suburb. And suburb means residential area on the edge of the city. I'm going to go ahead and use suburb in a sentence. I'm going to go ahead and read that to you. The suburbs are more calm and less noisy than the city. Moving on to my last root is vac. And vac means empty. I'm going to go ahead and give you two example words. This is an important root, you guys. It's commonly used, so I'm going to go ahead and put a star next to it and put it in a box. One of them is vacant, meaning empty, not occupied. My second word is going to be evacuate. And evacuate means to empty a dangerous place. I'm going to go ahead and use vacant in a sentence. I'm going to go ahead and read that to you. The couple finally found a vacant motel on their vacation. That is it for now, you guys. Thank you for listening. See you next time.